Next on our list of consumption methods, ingestibles. Ingestible products, like edibles, are consumed by the mouth and metabolized through the digestive system before entering the bloodstream. The onset can take anywhere from 45 minutes to 2 hours, with effects lasting anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. Ingestibles have a wide range of delivery methods. There are edibles you can eat, like cannabis-infused baked goods, candies, gummies, beverages you can drink, capsules and powders that offer more targeted effects and precise dosing, or ingestible oils that can either be swallowed or added to your food or drinks. Because cannabinoids like delta-9 THC in ingestible products are absorbed through the gastrointestinal GI tract and processed through the liver into 11-hydroxy-THC, the onset time will vary depending on your metabolism, what you've eaten that day, and a number of other factors. Research has shown that the potency of 11-hydroxy-THC can be anywhere from 1.5 to 7 times more potent than delta-9 THC. This, paired with the delayed onset time, are reasons that we suggest novice users start low with a dose of about 2.5 milligrams THC, go slow, then work your way up. This will allow an ample amount of time for your system to process before you ingest more. For consumers with more experience, you could start with 5 to 10 milligram dose of THC. And for those with even higher tolerance or specific medical needs, you might need to start with 10 milligrams THC to feel your desired effects.